ChatGPT vs Claude, which AI dominates 2025. OpenAI's GPT-4o and Anthropic's Claude 3 Opus are the two biggest names in the AI race today. But which one is actually better for you, the user, the creator, the developer? In this video, I'll break down the key differences, test out real examples, and reveal which AI is actually winning the race in 2025. Stay till the end, you'll be surprised. Let's start with a quick intro. ChatGPT, built by OpenAI, now runs on GPT-4o, their most advanced model as of 2025. It's available inside the ChatGPT app, web interface, and has a voice mode so good, it feels like sci-fi. On the other side, we have Claude 3, built by Anthropic. Claude 3 Opus is their most powerful model, with Sonnet and Haiku as lighter, faster versions. It's known for being safe, thoughtful, and extremely good at reasoning. Both AIs are multimodal. That means they can read images, analyze documents, and chat contextually. But they're not created equal. In terms of speed, GPT-4o has taken a huge leap. It's now faster than Claude in most real-world scenarios. Whether you're coding, summarizing a document, or generating ideas, it responds quickly and fluently. Claude 3 Opus is slightly slower, but not sluggish. It feels more careful, like it's really thinking before answering. That's great for accuracy, but if you need snappy, creative replies, GPT-4o usually delivers faster. On benchmarks, it's close. Claude 3 Opus often outperforms GPT-4o on academic and reasoning-heavy tasks. For example, in technical reading, math word problems, and logical reasoning, Claude is ahead sometimes by a few points, sometimes more. But GPT-4o holds its own, especially in code generation, general knowledge, and multilingual tasks. Plus, GPT-4o now has memory. It remembers who you are, your preferences, and past chats. Claude has something similar, but it's still rolling out. So, who's smarter? Claude 3 Opus is like the straight-A student who double-checks everything. GPT-4o is the creative all-rounder who builds, writes, and performs fast. Let's talk creativity. If you're a content creator, designer, or YouTuber, GPT-4o is a powerhouse. It can write scripts, generate images, suggest video ideas, and even speak them in a natural voice using its voice mode. This is a game changer for creators. Claude 3 is also creative, but more conservative. It's fantastic at structured writing. Think essays, professional emails, or polished documents. But it's less playful than GPT-4o. If I ask both to write a sci-fi short story, GPT-4o's version usually feels more alive. Bottom line, Claude is great at clean, careful content. ChatGPT is more experimental, fun, and interactive, especially with voice. Anthropic has built Claude with constitutional AI, focusing heavily on safety, transparency, and alignment. Claude avoids harmful content more consistently and explains its reasoning better in sensitive topics. OpenAI also takes safety seriously, but its model is more open in how it interacts. It will follow a wider range of prompts and feels more like an assistant than a filtered bot. So, if you're in education, law, or ethics-heavy fields, Claude might be your go-to. User experience matters. And here, ChatGPT wins hands down. It has an incredible mobile app, desktop app, memory, a full voice assistant mode with real-time speech recognition, and even image input. Yes, you can snap a photo and get analysis. Claude? No app yet. It's only available via web, and mobile experience is just okay. But its interface is clean, distraction-free, and easy to use for long-form writing. Also worth noting, ChatGPT's Pro plan gives you access to DALL-E Middle.t, image generation, code interpreter, and other tools. Claude doesn't offer that kind of toolkit yet. So, who wins in 2025? If you want an all-in-one assistant for content creation, productivity, real-time interaction, and voice IA, ChatGPT with GPT-4o is your best bet. If you're focused on reasoning, ethics, long-form accuracy, and want a safer, more deliberate AI, Claude 3 Opus might be better. But let's be honest, these models are so close, the best one is the one that fits your workflow. Or a broken bar, why not use both?